Hello everybody, it's me again, Tarsher. Welcome back to our channel. I just want to share with you, I'm cooking sisig today. So that's the ingredients, of course. Nor cubes, butter, toyo, soy sauce, and garlic, onions, and peppers, of course, mayonnaise, and the pork belly without skin. So that's the one I'm cooking for sisig. We just cut this, guys, into small pieces. This is one of my husband's favorite Filipino dish, sisig. So, we just cut it. Tapos i-chop natin mamaya na maliliit. So, I cut like this. And then we just chop it like this later. And then, ayaw nila yung crispy masyado. Kasi, noon gumawa na ako nito, pero matagal na, mga 4 years ago, for my other channel. So, ngayon, hindi siya crispy masyado. Katamtaman lang. Super easy yung sisig. Kasi sa Pilipinas, di ba yung sisig ay yung mga laman loob. Pero, ayaw ko yun. And, basta pag gumagawa ako ng sisig, ang gamit ko ay pork belly without skin. Kasi ayaw nila ng may skin. Kasi itong crispy masyado, hindi na ito maging crispy mamaya. So, ayaw nila yun. We just chop it like this, para maliliit siya. So, ilagay na natin yung butter, guys. And yung onions ay kalahati ko lang ilagay muna. Tapos yung kalahati mamaya. I just add all the garlic. So, lutuin lang natin siya konti. Ipa-brown lang natin. So, I add pork cubes, 2 pork cubes. Ilagay ko na dyan. As I said, this is my own version kasi iba-iba ang pagluto ng sisig. And this is my version. Add